Yeah, I think that for the most part, they do very well. I mean, they don't get very sick. They don't catch it easily.
President Trump doubling down today on his claim that children are virtually immune to the coronavirus. And that would certainly reassure a lot of nervous parents if that claim were accurate. But our chief investigative reporter, Morgan Lowe, found that over the summer, children in Arizona had among the highest COVID infection rate in the country.
Children are preparing for a fall semester filled with uncertainty, while parents and teachers worry about outbreaks at school. Public health officials have tried to downplay the risk.
Are you concerned that we're going to see a big spike, regardless of how careful schools are?
What the data is currently showing is that kids under 10 don't transmit COVID as effectively as adults do.
That was Arizona's health department director 3 weeks ago. Today, President Trump went even further.
They don't catch it easily. They don't get very sick. And according to the people that I've spoken to, they don't transport it or transfer it to other people, or certainly not very easily. So, yeah, I think schools have to open.
But this report, released by the American Academy of Pediatrics, says almost 340,000 children had come down with the virus as of July 30th. Arizona had the third highest number of infected children of any state in the country, the highest percent of children who were infected, and the highest positivity rate among children. Doctors say that while children may be less susceptible than adults, they are still at risk of developing serious illness.
We know that children can get infected. They are not immune to getting infected in the first place.
That study took place when Arizona was at its peak. The numbers have dropped over the past 10 days. The study showed that 2% of the children who get infected in our state end up in the hospital. As of the end of last month, 12 children had died. I'm Morgan Lowe for Arizona's Family.